Guys, please, this thing I'm about to show you right now, please take it seriously because it is currently paying. If you miss out on this, please do not blame me. That's why I want you to that's why I'll take my time today to show you the step by step on how you can get this 150 TRX, or you can also call it USDT. Please guys, just follow me up and I'm going to show you how. Please, if you came across the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel. I share videos about how I make money online, and I share it to you guys so that you guys can still follow it up and learn how to make money online. And if you're a returning subscriber, please like this video, please like the video, and also leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Now please take this seriously. Now let me get into the video. Now the first thing you have to do, what you just need, you're not going to be investing a dime on this. What you just need is your internet connection and your Chrome browser. Now once you come over to Chrome, you're going to search for imazi.cc. But do not worry, because if you can't start this, I'm going to be leaving my referral link in the description box. The first link in the description box is my referral link. Just click on it and it's going to bring you over to this site where you're going to register for free and start mining that 150 USDT, which you can withdraw. And as you're joining, you're going to get 5 USD free. Please guys, take this thing serious. Just watch this video, the step by step, and you're going to understand how this thing works. As I said earlier, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on this part where it says start mining. Okay, so once I click on that part where it says start mining, it's going to bring me over to the registration panel. Do not worry, you're not going to put any of your bank details. You can see it has automatically logged me into my account because I've already saved my password. They've already logged me into my account. But let me just explain what you're going to see when you click on that start mining. Once you click on start mining, it's going to bring you over to the place where you're going to put in your password, your email, and just your password, your email, and your username. Once you're done, it's going to bring you over to something like this. But your GPU balance is not going to be this thing because I've already started mining already. Now the first thing you have to do, once you are already on this, you don't click on any other thing. That's why I say I want to take my time to teach you step by step. Now the next, you're not going to be clicking on any of this. What you're going to be clicking on is this 3 TROM. Okay, let me try if I can turn it so that it will fit in. So what you're going to be clicking on is this TROM. Okay, this is the one you are going to be mining, because in 7 days you're going to get 150 TRS and you can still withdraw it. Now what you just have to do once you already start, it's going to be showing you, all of them is going to be showing 0% just like this. Okay, let me just show you all of them is going to be showing 0% just like this, and nothing will be mining. Now the one you're going to be mining is this TRON. That is the one you're going to be mining. Now you're going to carry the button all from here. You're going to carry it over to 100% and you see it to start mining. Okay, as you can see, it has started mining, and in 7 days time, just for free like this, you can just on it, let it start mining. Then you leave it for like 7 days. If you're watching this video today and you register today, maybe, and today is Wednesday and you register today, maybe next week Wednesday you can come back and withdraw your 150 USDT, which is given to you for free. And you know that USDT now has increased, the price has increased, especially for those that are in Nigerians. You guys understand what I'm saying now? And the price have increased. So just come over here. My referral link is down there in the description box. Just click on my referral link to get registered on this website so that you can start earning and banging so much money out of imazi.cc. Please, if you're new to the channel, I post videos by which you and I can make money online. And then if you want to withdraw your money, you click on this part where it says menu up right here, and here you see the wallet section. Okay, so you're going to be clicking the wallet section and to show you the cash out page. Now you can withdraw either through Perfect Money, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. There are many withdrawing this thing, so you just want to choose. If you want to exchange, you just exchange. As you can see, I have 0.0003 BTC. If I want to withdraw, I can withdraw it. Okay, now there are different ways by which you can earn money online. Just depends on you, the particular way you want to choose. I hope this video was quite educative and informative. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.